Hey guys, we're here at our brand new project in Lorne Park Estates on Longfellow Avenue in Mississauga. It's going to be a bone structure home with net zero implemented into it. Super excited to be meeting our new clients. We're here with the whole team doing a groundbreaking ceremony. It's going to be a really exciting job. Stay tuned for some more updates on this one.
We build a house and it's always special for everybody, but I know you both said that this is a real special one and this is going in the will. I mean, that's a great privilege that you've entrusted us with that, and we just want to express that we take it seriously. Wanted to introduce you to the crew. We do it because we love it, and we do it for great clients, and we keep relationships with clients.
We started the process and looking for a custom home builder. There's a couple key variables that we're looking for, and one of them was obviously a quality custom home builder with a reputation, but we also were looking for the net zero component. And with Chatsworth and Phil and the team all having had that experience previously, and then completed, I believe, what was one of the first net zero buildings in the area. So we thought it was a good fit, and we met with Phil, and he's been really great in sort of leading us through the process. When it comes to detailing the build, one of the things we liked about bone structure was the fact that it is kind of a fabricated system. So the entire thermal envelope, consideration for the window, consideration for solar gains, consideration for pretty much everything is sort of part of their package. And so combining that with Chatsworth's experience is kind of the best combination of both, I guess.